Hello and welcome back to the Payfunnels tutorial series. In this video, we're going to walk you through an exciting feature that gives you more control over your sales: set seats limits on payment links. This feature is perfect when you're selling limited spots, event tickets, coaching sessions, workshops, or any product with restricted availability. For example, if you only want 10 customers to purchase through a particular link, you can set that limit with just a few clicks. Once the limit is reached, the link will automatically stop accepting new payments and display a custom message on the checkout page, such as "sold out," "registrations closed," "limit reached," or any custom text you prefer. To set the limit on a payment link, click on New Payment Link. Enter the title and description. Choose Single Product. Select the payment type and enter the amount. Next, go to the Advanced options and scroll down, where you'll find the payment limit toggle. Turn it on and enter the limit you want. Let's set 10 in this example. Then, enter the custom message you want customers to see when the limit is reached. Once you're done, save the payment link, and that's it. Whenever someone makes a payment through this link, you can monitor the total number of payments directly here inside the payment link details. You can also refund payments here, and when a refund is processed, the reserved spot will automatically be released, allowing a new customer to purchase and take that spot. Once the seat limit is reached, new visitors will see your custom message right on the checkout page. This ensures a smooth experience and avoids confusion for customers trying to purchase sold-out offers. And that's it. You've just learned how easily you can set and manage payment limits on any Payfunnels payment link. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to us at support@payfunnels.com. We're here to help.